Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of standing work orders. You'll learn what exactly a standing work order is, how it differs from a blanket work order and when it's typically used. We'll also explore some specific examples and potential benefits of using standing work orders in your maintenance and operations teams. So stay tuned for some interesting insights that could help streamline your work processes. Let's dive into the world of standing work orders. So what exactly is a standing work order? According to the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals Best Practices, a standing work order is a work order that's open for a specific period of time. It's used for recurring or short-duration maintenance work, and for work that isn't associated with a specific piece of equipment. In simpler terms, a standing work order is opened up for routine or recurring tasks. As work is completed, you update the work order rather than closing it out. Now, you might have heard the term blanket work orders and wondered if they're the same as standing work orders. Well, they're similar, but there's a slight difference. Blanket work orders cover miscellaneous tasks, whereas standing orders tend to be more specific. With blanket work orders, details about the work, such as maintenance work order categories, aren't captured while the costs are. Standing work orders, on the other hand, capture both details and costs. As such, blanket orders are typically best avoided, even though some facilities use blanket work orders for up to 60% of their maintenance. So, when would you typically use standing work orders? They're usually reserved for smaller recurring tasks, some of which may not be directly related to actual maintenance tasks. Some examples might include cleanup and other shop housekeeping tasks, tool checks, safety and training meetings, and minor upkeep tasks. Some facilities may use standing work orders as a workaround for maintenance management systems that don't allow them to bill transactions for individual assets. This way, they get a running log for each standing work order, which they designate to specific assets without switching software. Let's look at some specific examples and potential benefits of standing work orders. One situation where a standing work order would be used is with mobile equipment. While individual work orders often only track the parts used to complete the order, using standing work orders would give your facility a running list of all parts used for each vehicle. Another example would be in the case of simple routine tasks, such as daily checks on tools. It's generally not economical to create a new work order for each individual tool in a shop, so a standing work order would be used to track those costs. As such, they can help reduce administrative tedium. Of course, these uses depend on the nature of your work order tracking system. Depending on the features of your top computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS software, standing work orders may or may not be needed. And that, folks, is your crash course on standing work orders. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the concept of standing work orders, their difference from blanket work orders, and their potential uses in your maintenance and operations teams. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of maintenance and reliability. For more resources and tools to help your team be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.